folks, Mr. Tully. I have in my hand a Feyachi RDS 22 2MOA red dot sight that's supposed to co-witness with your iron sights. I don't have anything that I can put it on that'll co-witness with a rear sight, but I do have one with a front sight that I can co-witness with, and that would be this one. I can just take the carry handle off, and we should be able to co-witness off the front sight there. So I'm going to take a better look at this. I haven't opened it yet, and let's see what we got in the box. Alrighty, for starters, it's a nice little box. Let's unbox this bad boy. We got protection on the top. We have two tools. One is a Torx, the other is an Allen key. Oh, we got a spare battery in there. Spare batteries are good. Hopefully it's a spare. Hopefully it's got one in it. Some bikini covers. I've never been a big fan of bikini covers because you take them off, you lose them. But it is what it is. Maybe we'll figure out a way to attach them a little more permanently. Not much of an instruction book, but how much instructions do you need with one of these? And it's all in English, so that's good. I do believe these are made in China, which, let's face it, a lot of scopes are made in China these days. We have, looks like we also have a lens cleaning cloth. And this is a riser to go on my Picatinny rail, and you can see through it. For what good that is, I don't know yet. I don't generally use red dots, but I've been wanting one for this particular rifle because I'm going to be changing out the handguard and stuff too, but I wanted to leave the front sight on there. And the sight itself. It's kind of a little beefy. I kind of like that. Give it a quick looking over. You can see the emitter right in the front here, or in the back. Break out our cleaning cloth. I see a little dust on there, but which probably isn't a big deal. Now, I was hoping to be able to get this to the range, but I will at some point, just not for a little while. One thing I'm noticing is right here on your adjustment caps, and I'll try to get this so you can see that in the camera. Well, those things screw on far enough. It's like, well, screw back on here. I'll lose it otherwise. So it's kind of like a straight attachment on there that appears that it will work. Yep, fits right in the slot for the adjustment. That's pretty cool because you don't have to have the adjustment tool handy. Oh, 2MOA dot. Every other red dot, the best I've seen is 3. 2MOA is going to be, should be pretty nice. I'm going to click that right on to 11. That is a bright dot. I don't know if I'll be able to get it so you guys can see that. I'm trying to look in a viewfinder, so hopefully it's there somewhere. But it's a pretty nice bright dot on 11. A little dimmer on, quite a bit dimmer on 1. 11 seems like an excessive amount of adjustments for the brightness. Just seems like an awful lot. But it remains to be seen. I've read some other reviews on it, said that it was really not too bad during daylight hours to see it looking right into the sun. The front lens, I noticed, is at an angle, and it's coated, so I'm sure that's going to enhance light gathering and reduce glare. I'm probably going to make that dot a little easier to keep in focus. But so far so good. It looks like a nice little sight. It feels, for the size of it, you know, I got a pretty good sized paw here, but I got short fingers. So it's, how long is it? 2.5 inches long. So it's actually pretty darn small. At the highest point, it's just a tad over 2 inches. So it's not really very big at all. I'm going to put it on the rifle and I'll be right back. Hey folks, we're back now. Got it mounted up. I slipped the bikini cover on there just for the grins of it. But here it is. I'll try to keep me out of the way. I know I got a dark sweatshirt on today. So, try to show you a little bit more about it. It is, I like it. When I shoulder it and shoulder it properly, it puts that red dot right on top of my front sight post. So I think this is going to be a really nice little dot sight to have on this rifle. So there we go. There ain't really a lot to say about it. I haven't taken it to the range, and any of you that have seen when I tested the, I think it was a Tasco red dot in my barn owl video, you'll know what I'm talking about. When I test stuff, I'm going to beat the hell out of it and put it through the mill. It was sent to me by the company. I won't be out anything, but I am definitely going to test it properly so you guys have all the information you can possibly want. And but I think so far I think it's a nice little red dot, and I'm looking forward to getting it to the range and playing with it a little bit. And it's always fun to go out and shoot the AR, just not when it's, you know, sub-zero wind chills. Stay safe, God bless, we'll catch y'all in the next video.